19 Festive Whimsical Christmas Decor Ideas for Magical Wonderland. Get ready to transform your home into a magical holiday retreat with our 19 whimsical Christmas home decoration ideas. Whether you're dreaming of a candy-themed living room, a cozy polar bear porch, or a festive bathroom wonderland, this video is packed with inspiration to make every corner of your home sparkle with Christmas cheer. From creative mantles and enchanted stair nooks to glowing outdoor candy lanes, these ideas bring the perfect blend of charm, fun, and festive spirit. Each concept is designed to capture the magic of the season while adding unique and imaginative touches to your decor. Let's explore these delightful setups together and spark your holiday creativity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. Idea number 1. Twinkling Christmas Hallway. The hallway is a magical portal to holiday wonder. Cascading string lights drape from the ceiling, forming a shimmering canopy of warm golden hues. Glittering star decorations hang at varying lengths, creating the illusion of walking under a starlit winter sky. The floor is lined with a soft, snowy pathway runner that crunches slightly underfoot, mimicking freshly fallen snow. At the end of the hallway stands a glowing Christmas tree, its twinkling lights beckoning like a beacon of festive cheer. The soft scent of pine wafts through the air, and faint holiday music plays in the background, making every step feel like a journey deeper into a winter wonderland. This hallway transforms a simple passageway into a whimsical Christmas experience. Idea number 2. Polar Bear Porch Party. The front porch is a whimsical winter scene, greeting visitors with playful charm. Polar bear statues, each donning a bright red Santa hat, stand proudly on either side of the entrance, their smiles welcoming all who approach. The steps are covered in a layer of faux snow, shimmering with a hint of glitter under the soft glow of glowing icicle lights hanging from the roof. Garland with frosted pine cones and berries drapes along the railing, completing the festive look. A cozy bench on the porch is adorned with holiday-themed cushions and a small throw blanket, making it an inviting spot to watch the snow fall. This playful porch display captures the magic of the season and sets the tone for the festive home inside. Idea number 3. Snow Globe Entryway. Walking into the snow globe-themed entryway feels like stepping into a magical winter tale. 2 oversized snow globes sit on elegant pedestals on either side of the door, each containing an intricate Christmas scene. One features a cozy winter cabin surrounded by snow-covered trees, while the other depicts Santa's sleigh flying over a miniature town. As you approach, the snow inside the globe swirls gently, creating a mesmerizing display. Garland wraps around the doorway, adorned with frosted pine cones, shimmering ornaments, and twinkling lights that add warmth to the frosty decor. A festive doormat completes the look, welcoming guests with holiday cheer. This whimsical entryway sets the tone for a home brimming with Christmas magic. Idea number 4. Santa's Cozy Workshop Nook. Tucked away in the corner of the room, Santa's workshop nook radiates creativity and charm. A small wooden workbench, dusted with faux snow, is scattered with tiny tools, bits of ribbon, and toy parts mid-assembly. Brightly wrapped presents stack neatly in one corner, each topped with a shimmering bow. Shelves line the wall, filled with colorful trinkets, jars of glitter, and cheerful elf hats peeking out from behind rolls of festive wrapping paper. Twinkling string lights frame the nook, their golden glow adding warmth to the scene. A soft red and white striped rug completes the look, making this corner feel like a miniature slice of the North Pole brought to life, perfect for inspiring holiday cheer. Idea number 5. Reindeer staircase magic. The staircase is a magical centerpiece of holiday decor, each step leading into a whimsical Christmas fantasy. Evergreen garlands wrap around the banister, interspersed with strings of soft white lights and golden ribbons. Reindeer-shaped cutouts prance along the rail, their antlers dusted with glitter and their noses glowing a cheerful red. At the base of the staircase, a pair of reindeer sculptures greet guests, their elegant forms adorned with tiny wreaths. Snowflake decals sparkle on the risers of the steps, completing the wintry effect. The warm, festive glow draws the eye upward, making the staircase not just a functional feature but a statement of Christmas magic woven into the heart of the home. Idea number 6. Whimsical Wreath Gallery Wall. The gallery wall of wreaths is a breathtaking showcase of holiday creativity. Each wreath tells its own story. One is adorned with tiny wooden toys, another sparkles with golden ornaments and ribbons, while a third is wrapped in candy cane stripes and topped with a whimsical bow. The wreaths vary in size and shape, creating a dynamic visual effect that feels playful yet elegant. Twinkling fairy lights frame the entire display, casting a warm glow that highlights every unique detail. The wall itself serves as a focal point, drawing visitors in with its charm and inviting them to explore each wreath's festive personality. This whimsical display transforms a simple wall into a joyful celebration of Christmas. Idea number 7. Gingerbread Kitchen Corner. The kitchen corner exudes a deliciously whimsical charm, inspired by the magic of gingerbread. Garlands of gingerbread cookies, strung together with red and white ribbons, hang along the shelves, filling the air with a faint spicy sweet aroma. Candy-striped accents adorn the edges of the countertops, while jars of brightly colored gumdrops, peppermints, and licorice add a playful pop of color. A miniature gingerbread house takes center stage on the counter, surrounded by tiny powdered sugar trees. The stovetop is adorned with festive pot holders and tea towels and gingerbread motifs, making even the simplest cooking tasks feel like a holiday adventure. This cozy corner is the perfect blend of whimsy and holiday nostalgia, creating a space that invites family and friends to gather. Idea number 8. Festive Fireplace Fantasy. The fireplace becomes the heart of the room, radiating warmth and festive whimsy. Oversized stockings in vibrant red and green hang from the mantle, their plush fabric inviting curious glances to see what surprises they might hold. A garland of glowing ornaments and frosted pine branches drapes elegantly across the mantle, twinkling softly in the firelight. Perched playfully on one corner is a whimsical Santa figure mid-climb, his sack of toys slung over one shoulder and a mischievous smile on his face. The hearth is surrounded by wrapped presents and miniature nutcrackers, completing the cozy, magical scene. With every flicker of the fire, this festive fireplace feels like the embodiment of Christmas cheer, bringing families together to share in the season's joy. Idea number 9. Whimsical Christmas Bedroom. The bedroom is a cozy haven of festive whimsy. Twinkling fairy lights are draped across the headboard, casting a warm glow that makes the room feel like a winter retreat. By the window stands a small Christmas tree, its branches adorned with delicate ornaments and soft white lights that reflect in the frosty glass panes. The bed is dressed in playful holiday-themed bedding, featuring cheerful reindeer, snowflakes, and candy canes, creating a cheerful contrast against the snowy white sheets. A pile of holiday-themed throw pillows adds an extra touch of comfort and charm. On the bedside table, a glowing lantern and a steaming mug of cocoa complete the scene, making this bedroom a perfect spot to dream of sugar plums on Christmas Eve. Idea number 10. Christmas Window Nook. The window nook exudes warmth and charm, offering the perfect spot to relax during the holiday season. A plush blanket, adorned with red and white patterns, is draped over a cushioned bench lined with pillows featuring reindeer, snowflakes, and cheerful holiday messages. The window panes are decorated with delicate snowflake decals, catching the soft glow of lanterns placed along the sill. Outside, snow falls gently, creating a serene backdrop for this cozy retreat. A small table nearby holds a steaming mug of cocoa and a plate of cookies, inviting you to curl up with a good book or simply enjoy the view. This whimsical setup turns an ordinary corner into a magical Christmas escape. Idea number 11. Elves Toy Corner. The toy corner bursts with activity and whimsy, as if Santa's elves had paused their work for just a moment. Tiny tools rest on a miniature workbench, surrounded by half-finished wooden toys, colorful paint pots, and rolls of ribbon. Elf figurines in cheerful red and green outfits appear mid-task, one holding a hammer and another wrapping a tiny present. Above, a garland adorned with ornaments and glowing string lights frames the corner, drawing attention to this playful setup. The scene is filled with delightful details: a toy train halfway through assembly, a spilled jar of glitter, and a small ladder leaning against a stack of presents. This corner is a delightful homage to the hardworking elves of Christmas lore, bringing their magical world into your home. Idea number 12. Holiday Movie Theater Room. The home theater has been transformed into a cozy Christmas haven, perfect for holiday movie marathons. Plush blankets in festive patterns, snowflakes, candy canes, and reindeer are draped over reclining chairs, while matching pillows add extra comfort. Popcorn buckets decorated with holiday motifs sit ready for snacking, alongside trays of Christmas cookies and mugs of hot cocoa topped with whipped cream. Soft string lights hang along the walls, creating a warm and inviting glow. A small artificial tree in the corner, decorated with film reel-shaped ornaments, ties the theme together. As the opening credits of a beloved Christmas movie roll, the room radiates a feeling of togetherness and holiday cheer, making it a space where memories are made. Idea number 13. Enchanted Stair Nook. The staircase nook becomes a charming miniature Christmas world, transporting everyone who passes by into a magical realm. Tiny glowing houses line the shelves, their warm light spilling through frosted windows. Snow-covered trees frame the scene, and miniature figurines of villagers add life to the display. An ice skater glides across a tiny mirror lake, while carolers stand in front of a church adorned with a glowing steeple. A sprinkle of faux snow covers the base of the display, enhancing the wintry charm. Small string lights are woven through the scene, casting a soft glow that makes the tiny village feel alive. This whimsical display turns an often overlooked space into a highlight of holiday decor. Idea number 14. Santa's Train Station. This corner is alive with the charm of Santa's whimsical train station. A miniature locomotive chugs along its circular track, puffing tiny clouds of steam as it weaves through a snowy village scene. The station itself is intricately detailed, with candy cane pillars, tiny wreaths on the doors, and festive banners overhead. Little figurines of passengers wait with suitcases, some holding brightly wrapped gifts, as Santa himself waves from the caboose of the train. Twinkling lights illuminate the station and its surroundings, reflecting off the frosted surfaces of nearby trees. The soft sound of a train whistle plays in the background, completing the experience. This delightful setup brings a sense of movement and storytelling to the decor, enchanting both kids and adults alike. Idea number 15. Magical Christmas Mantle. The mantle is a captivating holiday display, filled with a touch of magic and whimsy. At the center, a miniature Santa's sleigh is captured mid-flight, gliding over a soft blanket of faux snow. 8 reindeer figurines, with glittering antlers and tiny bells, are lined up in perfect formation, pulling the sleigh towards a glowing full moon crafted from warm LED lights. Above the mantle, delicate golden stars dangle at different heights, their soft light creating a celestial effect. Evergreen garlands, dotted with frosted red berries and fairy lights, cascade gracefully along the edges of the mantle. Stockings embroidered with festive patterns hang beneath, completing this enchanting scene. The mantle becomes a magical centerpiece, sparking the imagination and filling the room with Christmas cheer. Idea number 16. Whimsical Outdoor Candy Lane. The outdoor candy lane transforms the front yard into a sugary wonderland that could rival the North Pole. Oversized candy canes stand like sentinels along the pathway, their bright red and white stripes gleaming against the snowy backdrop. Giant lollipop sculptures, wrapped in clear cellophane and topped with sparkling bows, add a playful touch to the scene. Along the walkway, glowing gumdrops in every color of the rainbow line the edges, creating a radiant path that leads straight to the front door. The house itself is adorned with twinkling icicle lights and garlands, while a cheerful sign reads, "Welcome to Candy Lane." The display captures the imagination and spreads festive cheer to all who pass by, turning the yard into a whimsical holiday attraction. Idea number 17. Candy Wonderland Living Room. The living room feels like a sweet escape into a magical Christmas wonderland. Oversized candy canes stand on either side of the doorway, their red and white stripes gleaming in the soft glow of twinkling fairy lights. The fireplace mantle is adorned with garlands made of vibrant gumdrops and peppermint swirls, interwoven with glowing string lights. A plush rug with candy cane patterns spreads out beneath a magnificent Christmas tree, whose branches are laden with candy-shaped ornaments, gingerbread cookies, and shimmering tinsel. A cozy sofa covered with candy-striped cushions completes the scene, while the faint scent of peppermint lingers in the air, making this whimsical decor a treat for all the senses. Idea number 18. Nutcracker Dining Delight. The dining room is a playful blend of elegance and whimsy, perfect for a festive Christmas feast. A long table is set with crisp white linens, golden chargers, and ruby red plates. Nutcracker figurines in vibrant uniforms stand proudly as centerpieces, their bright colors contrasting beautifully with the soft glow of flickering candles. The chairs are tied with red bows, and garlands of evergreen branches adorned with tiny ornaments trail down the table. At each place setting, festive crackers hint at surprises inside, adding an extra layer of fun. Overhead, a sparkling chandelier is wrapped with red and gold ribbons, while soft holiday music creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. This whimsical setup promises to turn every bite into a magical holiday moment. Idea number 19. Frosted Window Wonderland. The bay window is a winter wonderland come to life, its frosted glass adorned with delicate snowflake patterns that shimmer in the morning light. Dangling icicle lights hang from the top of the window, casting a magical glow that illuminates the scene below. On the windowsill, a miniature Christmas village stretches out in charming detail. Tiny snow-covered houses, twinkling street lamps, and evergreen trees decorated with miniature ornaments. A tiny train weaves its way through the village, its cheerful whistle adding to the enchantment. Outside, soft snow falls gently, enhancing the cozy atmosphere inside. With every glance at the window, you're transported to a whimsical winter storybook that feels alive with Christmas magic. That's all the 19 festive whimsical Christmas decor ideas. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more decor inspirations.